Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I want to teach you how you can start a Microsoft Access database, how you can work with it, and maybe various functionalities of that Microsoft package. So first of all, what you need to do is to open that Microsoft Access. So you press the start button, then you type Access, then you open it. So let's wait the Access package to open. So you click the blank desktop database. You say create a new project. So let's wait. So here, as you can see, we have the view, we have the currency. Under the create, we have the table design, we have the table, we have the query wizard, we have the query design, we have the form, we have the form design, we have the blank form. So at the end of this video, I'm sure you're going to learn almost everything. So let's begin. So here we have tables. Let's begin by creating a table. So you just click like that, and then you, example here, you say maybe we want to create a student record. So you need to type example machine is misbehaving. Just a minute. So let's create a table design. So we have a field name and we have a data type. So for instance, it's a student record table. You start by creating maybe the student name, the registration number, maybe the class, and maybe the age. So let's start by first name, last name. And remember, in Microsoft Access, there is no, when you are typing the field name, there is no need of you having a backspace or other space bar. So for instance, this is a short text. This is a short text. We have the ID of the student. Maybe we have the reg number, which is a text. We have the age. So age is a number. We have the class, maybe the course. These are some of the changes that you can make in your form. So you can see some are good, it's appealing to the eye, as you can see. So that is it. Then you can even save that form, put it open, then save. Okay. So you can see if I open, so if I click at close, it will close. Okay, so it's function. Again, let's open it in design flow. Then we continue with other operations. Example, if I want to refresh, next, refresh, then I go to next, then I finish. You can see the refresh button has been created. So if you can make some changes to it, maybe you can set to give it like red. So you can see, okay. So the close button can be at this corner, like this. Maybe the refresh. Here. So let's try to open. So as you can see, and refresh. Okay. And maybe and close. When to save changes, yes. So that is it. Let's go to what we call relationship, and I want you to begin on this. Under the relationship, this is when you want to make the all those tables that you created to have or to have something common in them. For instance, under the gender of this table, this is which table? This is maybe the job table. So if you want something common between this table and the class table, so you just create a relationship so that you can be uh, and when you are creating a database, it can be regenerating all those records in it. So you just create it. Okay. So for example, you can see all the tables are here. So here you can decide to maybe insert some data. For example, if you have the first name, you can put it John. Last name, we the number is this. The reg number you can set to put it like this. Age 12 plus course education. Yeah, then you save. Then you can go to another record. Gen, maybe this ID. But remember here, because the ID was the primary number, or rather the primary key, they cannot be the same. Okay. For example, if I try to fit 2334, was it the primary key? No. The ID can be the same because it's not the primary key. But the reg number, which was the primary key, will not accept when you will be saving, because your primary key is a unique identifier, so it cannot be this. It's like the ID number. If you compare all individuals in this country, there is no primary number, or rather, there is no any person which you can share with your ID number. So your ID number is a unique identifier. So it's the one which uniquely identifies you, and it will never be the same. So under the age, you say maybe 12. Again, a class 3 education. You could say maybe job. Okay, so you can set to save. So here, so you can see. Now let's create a relationship of those tables. So what you do is to go to data tools or database tools, then you click on relationship. So here under the relationship, you can see we have how many tables? We have 5 tables. So, but for now, we want to focus on only 3 or rather 2 tables. The first table and because they are the tables which they are going to share some common fields. Okay, so you just add, you select the with the class table, just click add the job table, no, the student details table. You click add, then you close. So here you can see there's something I want you to understand here. We have the ID in the class table, which is a key, but in the student details table, the ID, which is a primary key in the class table, is not a primary key in the student details table. So, and a primary key which is used in another table is called a foreign key. Okay, you understood? Of what we call a foreign key in databases. So you want to make a relationship, so you will drag and drop to this point. So you can cascade update, cascade delete. So you create that relationship. So first of all, I'm sorry, let's close. Let me close something here. So you can see a relationship has been created between the class table and the student details table. So that's what we call a relationship. And I think as time goes by, if you continue following me, you will realize on how it's going to work. So because it has been created, you can save it, then you close. So that's how you can always create that table. So for instance, let's go to form creation again. So here you can see this is what we call a form. Okay, for example, you have the first name, the last names, or the details that were in the student details table. Now you want to create a form of it. Okay, so that it can be easy for you to be entering even maybe data. As you can see here, there are some details here which are already in the which we had already entered in our form, but now we want to design this form. Okay, so if you can see it, it is not wood, it's not appealing to the eye. Now we want to make it at least look good. Okay, so here we can decide maybe to change the font color. We want the font, can change the font size. We want to change the the the, the the font type, okay, so that it at least can look good when you are entering it or when you are working with it. So first of all, let's start with the color. Let's change the color. Okay, maybe you can decide to give it this color as the background color. It's called the background color. So the name of the first name, let's give it which color? Maybe color black. Okay. So I want you to see how I can maybe expand this. I want you to see in or maybe, and we have the ID. We have the reg number. So you can see how doing it. So I want to make this form to be somehow appealing to the eye, but even the user can be, when the user who is going to use the database going to use it, at least it can be good to her or him. So the age in okay. So you can see how it has appeared. So at least you can see that it looks good even to the user. So let's insert some buttons here. For example, so you go to form operation, you close, you only want to close this one. Then you click finish. and then you can make some changes to that form. However, that maybe the close will make it to be like that. The font you can try to change it like that. So when the user clicks on the close, the font can be closed, or rather the form can be closed. So let's create another button. Form creation. Maybe when you want to print this form that you have created. Next, finish. Like this. But when you click at the close option or at the print option, it prints. When you click at the close option, it prints. So assuming that this is your home that you have created, and then you want to save it, you just Control plus letter S. Uh, so we call it the student details form. Click. Okay. So this your phone, your you can go and try by yourself and see how it works. But basically, that's how you can always create your own one. So, guys, thank you for watching. Let's meet next to continue with our tutorials for Access or Microsoft Access database. And please don't forget to subscribe and follow and share for more videos. Thank you.